Welcome back to another video, guys. So I took a buy trade on VIX 51S index and I shared this buy signal to my VIP members. This trade is moving good in profits. I've closed out on some positions. I've taken partial profits on these buys, and you can see my stop loss is above my entry. Always emphasize on taking partial profits, always moving your stop loss above your entry or below your entry after trade might has moved your expected direction. It helps balance your emotions. It helps you stay comfortable in a trade. So I'm actually expecting this index to buy to my second TP level, because our first TP level was actually on this level of resistance, this current price zone, and after price broke above this level, we've got a retracement to the downside, which I'm still expecting price to give more buys in the coming hours and days, would say, on this index. Today basically is expected to be a bullish day on this index, because looking at the daily time frame structure, you can see that this index has been bearish for a very long time. You can see long sells the downside before price got to this zone, this level here, and started consolidating. We've got this first drop, price pushed up to the upside for the second leg here. I'm expecting price to push up second time to give the second buys after we've got this first buys to create a double bottom formation, which is a bullish reversal pattern formation, having the first lows there and a second lows at this point. So this formation would produce a good bullish reversal on this index. That's my expectations basically on VIX 51S index. I'm bullish on this index, long-term bullish. I'm expecting the coming months and the coming weeks to be bullish on this index. So let's see what happens here. So I identified this zone. Yesterday I took a couple buy trades on VIX 51S index and I got stopped out because market pushed it down to create a double bottom formation. So I got stopped out on the buys I took earlier yesterday. So today I saw a good formation and expected the buys. I definitely expected the buys today, since the market failed to give the move I expected, which got me stopped out. Then today I saw a good formation which looked very nice. It's essential information basically on a lower time frame. We'll get to that. So we can see the structure. This zone on the daily time frame is a good zone, which we've got price dropped on a couple of times. See market traction here. Let's actually spot it here. Got market traction here as a support. Sorry, first traction there, support. Got price dropped on this level, resistance, support at this point, support traction here. So I would say market has traction on this level a couple of times. Some price selling to this zone. I expected a bullish move here. Expect a bullish move basically. And looking at this structure in the day time frame, we can see that this lows is yet to be broken. I've got price create this higher lows formation. This last lows, market is yet to break below it, which is a bullish sign. This last lows was formed here. We got a low here, a higher low, a higher low. So this last higher low, market is on this last higher low. Price has failed to break below it, which is a very good bullish formation, which gives hope to this index, because you can see how far this index has declined in price value. Looking at the previous moves for a very long time, this index has been very, very bearish. Starting from, let me zoom out on the chart, you can see from this zone. Okay, we got this bullish, we got an increase in price value here. Before price got to these highs and declined massively to the downside. Ever since, price has been in this zone, in this range, which I'm anticipating a possible reversal in the coming months and weeks on this index. So coming after identifying this formation on the daily time frame, I went to the forward time frame, because you guys know that I analyze from time frames to time frames, looking out for good entry points. Firstly, I try to get the bigger view of the market on a higher time frame, then scale down to a lower time frame for my entry. So on this forward time frame, we got this descending channel formation, this downtrend, which price has broken out of this downtrend here, which is clearly seen, and we got a good breakout of it. Got a good breakout of this downtrend at this point. Then price formed an order block formation, which I expected price to sell into for the buys. So I expected these buys yesterday basically, but the market failed to give the expected move, which I waited patiently for the move today. So seeing this formation here, I knew this index is going to buy, definitely going to buy today. So I identified my entry point and took the buys and shared the buy signal to my VIP members. Don't miss out on my free trade signals. To join my VIP group, do well to message my admin. His username is dropped in my Telegram channel, so you can see this formation I spotted here, which is a good essential information. So I took the buys on break above, on the breakout of this channel formation, adding to this double bottom formation, which is also a bullish formation. Price formed, the market created this double bottom formation. The first lows here, first lows at this point, and the second lows basically at this zone. So this is a good reversal pattern formation on the 1 hour time frame, which I also spotted with this descending channel formation. You can see our second tip is about to get smashed. Price is pushing up to our level, which is a good move. My stop loss is above my entry, which I'm very much safe in this trade. So I have about 6 positions running, 5 to 6 positions running right now. I had about 10 positions which I've closed out on good profits. I've taken partial profits. So I've secured this trade by moving my stop loss below above my entry, which the trade is running up to our second TP level, third TP level, and possibly fourth TP level. This point where this last level is a very strong level in the market, which I identified, which I placed my stop loss, my TP close to it. So you can see that we have strong market traction on this zone. So if price can do well to break above this level here, then we'd see a good move on this index. We'd see good buys on this index. Currently, this index is too bearish. Let's take note of that. This index is too bearish. We're just being hopeful for the buys, and we're getting little bullish signs, which I'm taking advantage of right now. So let's see what happens, and I'll give you guys an update on how this trade played out. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to catch this wonderful buy opportunity. That's how I was able to take the buy trade on this index. Always do it to go to a higher time frame to have a bigger view of the market, identify the market trends, spot your levels and zones, then head down to lower time frame to work in hand, to work in line with what you spotted on the higher time frame for your entries. If you spotted a bullish structure on the higher time frame, you do well to spot a bullish structure in the lower time frame to get into the trade. And if you spotted a bearish structure on the higher time frame, always also do well to work with that bearish structure on the lower time frame for your entries. So I'm expecting more buys basically. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, guys. So that's it, guys. That's how I was able to take the buy trade on this index. So for more trade breakdowns, like some market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for always engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.